In the adjoining figure, PQ is perpendicular to BC and AD also is perpendicular to BC. Then find the ratio of triangle PQB, triangle PQB and triangle PBC, triangle PBC. So these two triangles we have to find the ratio of. Triangle PQB. So area triangle PQB upon area triangle PBC, triangle PBC is equal to the ratio of base into height. So base is QB into height is PQ upon, for triangle PBC the base will be BC and the height will be PQ again. So PQ and PQ being common will get cancelled. So we have this ratio equal to QB upon BC. Consider the second ratio, area triangle PBC upon area triangle ABC. PBC and ABC. ABC. These two triangles we have to consider. So area triangle PBC upon area triangle ABC. This is equal to the base into height. So for triangle PBC the base is BC into height is PQ, and for triangle ABC the base is BC again and the height is AD. BC being common will get cancelled. So you have the ratio to be PQ upon AD. So for this triangle, triangle PBC upon triangle PBC upon triangle ABC, the ratio of their areas is equal to the heights, ratio of the heights. Now consider the triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Triangle ABC and triangle ADC. The ratios, area triangle ABC upon area triangle ADC is equal to base BC into base BC into height AD. AD. And for triangle ADC it will be DC into height AD. So the height is common, so it will get cancelled. So you have the ratio equal to BC upon DC. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC is equal to BC into AD upon DC into AD. AD height being common, it will get cancelled. So the ratio becomes BC upon DC. The fourth ratio, the fourth is triangle ADC. Triangle ADC and triangle PQC. PQC. So the ratio of areas of these two triangles will be triangle ADC area triangle ADC triangle ADC upon area triangle PQC. PQC. This will be equal to the base of triangle ADC is DC and the height is AD. DC into AD. And for triangle PQC, the base will be QC into PQ. So this is the answer.